Okay, I've been vibe coding for over a year now, and what I did today is just so cool. I had to start a YouTube channel just because I need to tell people about how cool this is. Maybe find someone who finds it as cool as I do. Okay, so what I have implemented here is basically we've got sub agents, we've got an orchestrator and it's spawning sub agents. But what I have done now is the question is, when you spawn to sub agents, how many sub agents do you spawn to? And so what I'm testing here is a method that basically uses kind of an incremental exploratory approach with the sub agents to find the optimal batch size to assign or delegate work to your sub agents from the main agent on the fly, and then use that going forward. So you basically have our main agent, it's spawning sub agents, and the sub agents kind of have a batch size into how much they're going to process, and they come back, they report on their efficiency, their token efficiency, and based on that reports, then the orchestrating agent looks at that and adjusts the batch sizes so that it can be more efficient with how it spends tokens. And then so here we have, let's just kind of look through. So we start with a default batch size of 10. You can find that one. So here's our first batch runs with 10. Now, maybe for context, what's going on here. So what this app is doing for testing is I've got about 1,000 emails that I'm using to compile together and to create an actual staff manual from all the emails I've sent staff over the years, and compiling it all into like a staff manual. And so it's got to go through thousands of emails, and here's starting at 10 at a time. We'll see how that goes. So 10 token count, 47,000. Well, let me just make this a little bigger. So 47,000. 64,000, but this is now 15 emails and our efficiency improved. So size 15 is going to go up. Let's see, size 20. Okay, efficiency is still improving, so we're going to go up to 25. Okay, we're kind of here. I'm going to pause and I'll come back to you when I have more data. Okay, we're back. Let's see where we are. And no, we're up to size 20, going up to size 25, efficiency still improving. Reached maximum batch of 30, still improving, using 30 as optimal batch size. Okay, this wouldn't be interesting if we didn't have some deviations to deal with. So what was supposed to happen is that it's supposed to kind of do this peak valley peak process where it goes up by 5 until it reaches a peak, down by 2 until it reaches a valley, and then up performance, and then back up to another peak. And then when it gets to that second peak, it takes the average between the valley and the peak and uses that as the optimal batch size. But somehow our script has just decided, we're just going to stop at 30. It's still improving marginally, and we're going to stop there. Well, that's not going to be very precise. More importantly, it's not what I did. So let's see. I interrupted. Stop. You didn't follow the peak valley wave analysis. The pattern was not optional. Okay, right. Made it pretty clear. Yes. Thank you for apologizing, Claude. It said, yes, that's right. You did. Okay. Would you like to resume calibration properly from where we left off? Need to reverse direction. Continue. Yes. Or start fresh with a skill. No. I'll just resume. And next time I will get my skill correction meta skill, to fix you so you follow instructions. Okay, let's see how that goes.